Hello friends, in this session we will learn how to find the 4-year moving averages. Now see the problem statement. Calculate 4-year moving average and forecast for year 2023 and also find the value between 2023 and 2024. Now what they have given the year corresponding value also they are given. So year wise value they have given, right? So we have to find the 4-year moving average. So first step is we have to find the 4-year moving total. How to find 4-year moving total? So see, first add first 4 value what they have given. So 10 plus 20 plus 10 plus 20 plus 30 plus 40. So simply add all value and write down just at center position, right? So center position for 4 value will be just below 2, right? So here you will write 10 plus 20 plus 30 plus 40, right? So total will be 10 plus 20 plus 30 plus 40. So total here it will be 100. Total will be 100, right? So in the next step, what you have to do? You have to skip the value, just one value from the above, and just add the total of just 4 value which are below. So here you will write down, right? So whatever the 4 value here. So in between 30 and 40, consider 2 value from the top and 2 values from the bottom, right? So 20 plus 30, here you will write 20 plus 30 plus 40 plus 50. Just below here, what you will write? 2 value from the top, 2 value from the top. So these are the 2 and these are the 2, right? So here you can write 30 plus 40 plus 50 plus 60, right? So what will be the total? First you will get total here the 100. Here you will get total 140 will be the total, and here you will get the total as a 180, right? So once you find the total, you have to find the average. How to find average? So divide each value by 4. Why? Because you have added the 4 value. So divide each value by 4. So here you will get the 4-year moving average. So first value you will get here 25, second value you will get here 35, and here you will get 45. So these are the 4-year moving averages. After that, you can find the centered value. This is also called as the trend value. Why? See, this 25 refer to where the position which lies between 2021 and 2022. 35 refer to the position between 2020 and 2023, and 45 refer to the position where it lies between 10 to 24. You have to find the exact value, right, to plot the graph. So what you can do, one thing you can do here, you simply add these two value and find centered value of these value, right? So here 25 plus 35 upon 2, you will get here the value 30, right? Here you can write 35 plus 45 upon 2. So here you will get the value 40. Now you can note here one thing, that 30 is representing the 2022. So that 30, which is the centered moving average value we have calculated, which represent the 2022, and 40 here is representing to the 2023. So in this case, you have to write at a very, that means alignment is very, very important here, right? So what is the answer? What they are asking for 2023, what is 4-year moving average? For 2023, the 4-year moving average is 40. So this is the answer for 2023. Now they are asking what is the average for 2023 and 2024, between 2023 and 24. So between 2023 and 24 we have to find. So here we have calculated. So 45 is the answer when we look between the 2023 and 2024, right? So in that way you have to solve in the examination. Okay, see another problem. See, given following historical sales time series, calculate 4-year moving average, forecast for year 94, 96 and 97, also find between 95 and 96. Okay, what they have given? The year they have given 91 to 98, and sales in million they have given for each year 36 to 24. That means for each year they have given the sales. Now see how to find the solution. See, first what I will do, I will write down year wise what they have given, year wise sales, right? So simply I have written down vertically so that it will be easy for me for the calculation. Okay, in the next step what I have to do, I have to find the 4-year moving average. How to find? Very simple. See, first 4 value, right, just at the center of 4 value. So 36 plus 43 plus 43 plus 34, total will be 156 upon 4. So answer divided by it by 4, you will get 39. In the next you where you can write here, right? So just consider 2 value from the top 2 value from the bottom. So total will be 164 divided by 4, you will get 41. Next is what you can write here, right? Centered position. Take a 2 value, consider 2 value, that is 43 plus 34, and 2 value from the bottom, that is 44 plus 54. Total will be 175 divided by 4, right? In the next, you can write here in the here, right here. So here, for that purpose, you can consider again the 2 value from the top, that is 34 plus 44, and 2 value from the bottom, that is 54 plus 34. So our total will be 166 divided by 4, you will get 41.15. Similarly, you can write here like considering 2 value from the top, 44 plus 54 and 34 plus 24. So total will be 156 divided by 4, you will get 39. So these are the 4-year moving averages. But the 39 represent the value between this, the 92 and 93. 41 is between 93 and 94. So we have to plot the graph. For that purpose, we need the centered value. So how to find 4-year moving average centered value? So simply add, find the mean value, that is 39 plus 41 upon 2, then 41 plus 43.75 upon 2. So you have to simply find the average of that 2. So once you get 40, 40 will represent what? 40 will represent here. You can simply draw a simple line. 40 will represent the value 93. 42.37 will represent the middle value, that is between 93 and between 42.37 will represent 94, and here the value 40.25 will represent 96, right? So in that way you have to solve it the examination. Now see what they are asking for 94. What is the value? For 94 you can simply say 42.37 will be the value. For 96 what will be the value? 40.25. If they are asking for 97, you can simply say the data insufficient. For 98, data insufficient. For 91 and 92 also, data insufficient, right? And now they are asking between 95 and 96. So between 95 and 96. So see, between here, between 95 and 96, you already calculated in the beginning. Answer is what? 41.5, right? So in that way you have to solve. One thing you note here. See, the 2 value from the for 2 year from the top and for 2 year from the bottom, there is a data insufficiency. So answer for moving average will be data insufficiency. Always remember. So if you are not able to solve the problem, if they are asking what is the value for 91 and 92, you blindly can mark easily data insufficient. For 97, 90, that means the 2 year from the top and 2 year from the bottom always have data insufficiency. So without even solving also, you can mark this answer, right? Remember this, okay? So friends, we are having the application Banker Zone CAIIB. This application you can download from the Play Store, right? And if you are having any doubt, this is our WhatsApp number 9054538247. You can contact us on WhatsApp to enroll into the full courses. Thank you.